Hi guys, it's Rowan aka the Human Voice Box, and I'm here bringing you more free sound effects that you guys can use on your films. So today's free sound effect is going to be a goat sound effect. So you can use this sound effect if you're doing a film with some goats in on a mountain, or some goats on a farm, or a goat just simply headbutting a baby. So play the sound effect now, and hopefully you find it useful. Meh. 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 So, hope you found that useful, and go tell your friends about me. Cracking.